Steve here from Flies and Plies. I'm going to do something for you guys real quick. I've had a couple of friends ask about it. Monofilament, really easy, quick furled leaders. I'm using some real heavy stuff. This is actually 30-pound test. Normally I use 4, 6, 8, 12. The heaviest one I normally fish with is 17 Suffolk Siege for bass. But just so you can see it, some 30-pound mono. I left my knife in the house, so I'll just bite it in half. You're going to need 2.5 times the length, or 3 times the length that you want to end up with to get the length you want to end up with. So if you want a 9-foot leader, you actually need 27 foot of line. I don't make them very long. Double it over so the 2 cut ends are right on each other. Then I do this on my porch, so I can throw one end over the porch, one end on the porch. Then take your hands, make your little loop, cross each line over, and twist. And as you twist, that leader will furl onto itself. You just continue to twist until the whole thing, the entire length of that line, is twisted. You'll get some little twizzlies and stuff that'll be a pain in the butt. You just keep doing what you're doing. I'm going over this side. Planter's catching it. Hold these 2 fingers here so that it actually keeps the 2 lines separate from each other, and you're not really pulling, but as you twist, it'll push itself gently through your fingers. You just kind of allow it to feed. Getting close to the end here, so it's trying to be a pain in the butt. I'm going to hang it a little further over the rail. Just like that. A little twizzly there. Twist, twist, twist. Almost got it here, guys. Should have made it shorter for you on this video, huh? It's okay. Go ahead and leave comments that I should have made it shorter. I don't mind. You're not going to hurt my feelings. I'm a big boy. I don't cry much. Okay. Now, we get down here to the end. We get those 2 pieces. They come back together. Just take it, tie a simple overhand knot in it. We're going to cut it off, so it doesn't really matter. It's cinched down nice and tight. Okay, now this end right here, this loop right here, is where you'll actually attach your tippet material. Okay, so you go back to the other end where you tied the knot, you put the 2 together, and you figure roughly about 2/3 the full length of the leader. Hold it right there. This is how you'll get your taper. Okay? Just like that. Pull your loop tight down here at this end. Throw one end over the porch rail. Put the 2 pieces over each other to make that loop. Make sure you twist it. Figure out what direction I got to twist it here. There we go. If you twist it the wrong way, you'll actually be untwisting it. If you twist it the right way, it'll be beautiful, just like that. There's another video on YouTube for this. I don't remember whose it is, and I can't find it again. I hate that because I never mark any videos because I'm an idiot. It happens. But for, you know, us guys like me, that I'm a bluegill, bass, carp, crappie guy, There you go. Look, right there, I got them to each other. What I do is I take it now, tie a double surgeon's knot. If I could get a hold of the silly thing, cinch it down nice and tight right there, as close to that knot as I can get it. There we go, nice and tight. Let me borrow this blade. My buddy's got a knife somewhere. There we go. Borrow this knife right quick and cut off that excess. Nice and close, nice and tight. There we go. And there you go. 2 strands here, 4 strands here. Gives you a taper to transfer energy. We started out with what, J-Mac? About 15 plus feet of line, and we've got about 6 feet now. So there you go. Tapered leader, quick, fast, easy, and cheap for you guys like me. I don't like to spend money on tapered leaders because they're expensive, and I'm just going to break them anyway. So I might as well do this with a spool of monofilament that cost me $7-8 at the Walmart, and now I've got a furled leader for a few pennies because a spool will make a ton. So there you go.